in your hands, as if beckoning you, as if asking, is this the path you wish to choose? Do you want to bear the pain?
I guess. I mean, is it just a feeling or is it words? It's just a feeling.
It's just a feeling. There's no words. It's just like flashing images, and there's a little like a burning sensation in your hands as you flash this blade. It's just a feeling like it's asking you a question, like the sword is trying to communicate with you.
As I'm holding it, I guess I can't see because I'm still getting like it's still getting lighter.
You can't actually see the shape of the sword at all.
Okay, and to myself, I think I can feel the power of this sword is blessed with a glorious burden, a burden of glorious and wondrous purpose, and I accept. I accept such a burden, if that is the path that I am destined to take.
And as you take this to yourself in your head, the light sort of begins to dim, and the sword, you see it takes the shape of a regular sword at first, and then it bursts out into small golden cubes, which slowly start to reassemble themselves from the bottom up into a different shape, one more representative of your soul. If you'd like to describe what the weapon looks like now.
Yeah, does it unchain, does it like take my already blade that I was carrying away from me? Like, does that also go, or like what happens?
Do you want it to, or it can?
Yeah, sure, I assume I've been using this sword for a very long time, so.
Yeah, sure.
I imagine how it just like glows and then bursts also into the blade.
It also bursts into these golden cubes and slowly begins to reconstruct it.
That's cool. Yeah, then as it takes form, you would see this almost like an S shape, or the sword itself takes this S shape as the hilt is curved, the blade is hooked, and it looks like this radiating. The blade itself is this radiating mix of purple, pink, blue, almost like iridescent, glowing iridescent gem-like blade with strings that are attached from the top of the blade down to the hilt of the sword. The actual handle below the hilt is kind of almost black. It's a black and gold hilt with a curved circular base at the bottom, with a purple chinstone in that circular base, and. Overall, as the sword sort of reforms, it basically takes the form of a very beautiful heart blade.
Very awesome.
And it glows this golden glow, at first like this golden glow, like crackling, almost like lightning energy, before it simmers down and takes its physical form. Like it's almost ethereal first, and then it takes that form, while the strings themselves stay kind of like ethereal glow.
Yeah, there's still a very ethereal glow. Yeah, that's very cool. I love that.
And everyone will see the art of that.
Yeah, there is art of this, so that will be posted with this episode. And as it settles down and the burning starts to dissipate in your hands, you kind of stare at your new weapon. The ground begins to shake a little bit. Not like a ton, but it is a hearty shake, and you kind of lose your balance a little bit as you're admiring your new sword that you've stolen from this family. Above you, you hear a door open and close, and the cellar door as well open, as a man begins slowly climbing down the ladder.
Well, yeah, at first I'm like clutching the sword and looking at it, that bright fucking big smile, the model blown off my face. And then I hear the sound, and I immediately turn around and look to see, who's caught me in the act. Caught 4K, bro, who's caught me in 4K?
Yeah, so, and then down the stairs you hear the heavy footsteps of a man fully clad. And he comes down, he notices that the cage is open, he rushes down a little more, and he stares upon you, and you see this young man with long black hair going down past his shoulders, a little greasy at the moment.
Did I go past it?
Blue armor
Oh my
with white accents on it, and a sword and shield, a short sword and shield.
Did I mess up?
Or an insignia that has a man bearing his sword towards the sun, which you recognize as the sigil of the vanguard. And you recognize this young man as the youngest son of the Holy Family.
Oh.
And he comes down and he says, well, my her father got stabbed. I figured I might find some rest down here.